grab your tea. Black tea. I'm in love with black tea. Something that I drink too much. But nobody's perfect, right? For me, it's soy milk inside. Ready to go? Hey! In today's video, I'm going to be talking about intermittent fasting. If you want to know what is it, why is it good for you, and how you can implement it in your daily life, stay tuned! My name is Sandra. I am passionate about natural holistic living and natural beauty from the inside out. I've been starting my own journey into that field about 20 years ago. 20 years after, I really wanted to take it to the next level and bring it into a business. I am passionate about it and I love products. And everything that I love to do is, finding the products that are good for you, all natural, and that will really help you enhance your overall well-being, staying healthy, keeping the doctor away, and basically help you feel better so you can live better. I am especially focused on everything where it's about sensitive skin, where you have sensitivities to synthetic stuff. So that being said, today it's about intermittent fasting. What is it? Intermittent fasting means you're going to avoid eating between 12 to 16 hours. Usually what you would do is you have your dinner and then you wait between 12 and 16 hours before you eat the next meal. That's what it is. The benefit of it is that it actually helps your body to go into cell repairs processes. It also changes the hormone levels in your body. It's going to activate some processes in order to make the fats more accessible. So intermittent fasting has loads of different benefits. It can help you lose weight. You're making room, it's like you're cleansing. I've never been into fasting, like not eating for a few days or even a week. This has never been my thing and I don't like the idea of that because I don't like the idea of starving my body. However, I really believe that in today's society we eat too much. When you do intermittent fasting, you get in the habit of eating less, for one. Also, the cells are going to repair more. You're going to get rid of the ones that you need to get rid of. Your fat is going to become more accessible. So you're going to just feel healthier and therefore you may not go for junk food. When you feel better within, you don't feel like putting some crap within. On the long term, it really kind of changes the way you think and the way you feel about what you put inside your body as your fuel. I honestly believe that intermittent fasting, everyone should do it. I don't even think it should even be a name. I mean, for me, when I started to do that, I didn't even know it was called a name. It just felt good to me. It felt good to not go to bed with a full stomach. I loved it to be able to eat around 6:30ish. When I wake up in the morning, I honestly don't feel like just putting food in my stomach. I drink, that's all. I need to wait before I'm actually hungry. This is really something that is important if you want to do intermittent fasting. How can you do this? Depending on what time your dinner is, maybe try to bring it a bit earlier. I'd say between 6 and 7 is a good time. Even if you have it at 7, if you don't go to bed until 10 or something, then it's good. Try to have an early dinner. This is the first thing. The other thing is that in the morning when you wake up, you start by drinking water. Lukewarm water. Don't drink cold water. Don't take water from the fridge, please. This is going to shut your digestion off. So water, ideally with lemon. If you don't have lemon, you can use lemon essential oil. You can just put a drop in your water and just drink that. The lemon helps to activate your digestion and the water just cleansing the whole pipes, let's say. It's good to start that way. What would be good is to then not eat until at least 12 or 16 hours from your last dinner. So that's why for me, I like to have it my dinner around 6:30 because if I eat around 10-11 a.m., that gives me my 15-16 hours. Whether if you eat at 8 and you want to go for at least 16 hours, you have to wait really noon. For me, I get hungry. You have to see what's good for you. You have to see what fits, what suits you. But it's important to try to have at least 12 hours between those two meals. Now, what I do in the morning is that after I drank and I do my morning routine, then I usually have a tea, like I have it here. I do have soya milk inside. Somehow it's kind of some food, but to be honest, I don't like extremes. For me, it's just a bit of soya milk. It's not a big deal. Then again, it depends. So you could do it very strict, or you can have a tea or a latte, depending on what you like. You have to listen to your body. Depending depends on your constitution. For me, if I stay too long without eating or without something inside, I don't feel good. So I need to have something. And this is how my tea actually helps me to hold until when I eat. And I'm addicted to black tea, which I know is not the best, but that's how it is. That's what I wanted to share with you today, this intermittent fasting. I would really recommend to try it. I don't like to call it intermittent fasting because it feels like it's some kind of cure or some kind of exceptional thing that you're doing for yourself. It's not. It could just be the same thing as you go and brush your teeth. If you get to that point, which is really where I'm at, and that has been for years for me, it really will help you. If you want to lose weight, it will help you to lose weight. If you want to feel lighter, more energized, it will help you with all this. It will basically help you really enhancing and supporting your overall well-being, and it will help you also to stay healthy. By doing this routine, you will again eat less. At the beginning, it may be a bit hard because it's habits that you have to change, but the good thing is it's mainly while you're sleeping. So it's just a matter of bringing a bit earlier your dinner and bringing a bit later your breakfast. By bringing later your breakfast, it becomes kind of a brunch. Breakfast and lunch becomes just one. You basically have 2 meals instead of 3. Just by doing this, you're going to reduce your amount of food. I would really say try it for 2 weeks, see how it feels, and after those 2 weeks, maybe you want to try it an extra 2 weeks. That way, you don't say, okay, from today on I don't eat from 12 to 16 hours every day. This may be overwhelming. So just start small, and then if you feel good, it will just become a habit, and then it's not even intermittent fasting, it's just how you live your life. It's a really good habit to have. That's it for today. If you have any question, just drop me a comment below. Give me a thumb up if you like the videos. Feel free to share, feel free to subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.